Hello, my name's Stephanie from Recur, and in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how you can add products to your system. We do ask that you set up your Stripe account before you go through this process. From your homepage, you're going to go to the Revenues tab and go down to Products. From here, on the right-hand side, you're going to go to Add Product. You just have to go through all of the directions. We do have little information bubbles next to each of the words, so that way you know what each of those toggles do when you turn them on. And as you fill out all of the information, you can also include an image to each of your products, as well as a brief description or a longer description if you would like. For any of the products that you do add to the system, you can also add a discount code as well. And then you just go to plus discount code, and you can always create the code and what the discount is in a dollar value or a percentage, and how many people will have the ability to redeem them. Please keep in mind that you do have to press the save button in the upper right hand corner.